Want a dinner that basically cooks itself and screams summer on a plate? That's exactly what this summer sausage tray bake is. Colourful veg, zero faff, all in one tray. Let me show you how you make it. The prep for this recipe is such a doddle, that's why I like tray bake so much. You basically bung on a load of different veggies. So you can see the ones I'm using, you can add ones, remove others, totally up to you. Then we're going to add some smoked paprika to give that lovely warm spicy taste, along with some dried oregano, some olive oil, and then all we're going to do is just hit it up with some salt and pepper. Now again, you can experiment adding in other herbs and seasonings if you want. You could add in a little bit of chili, you could put some rosemary in it, some thyme, totally up to you. These recipes are really flexible. Then just mix it all through so it is nicely combined and the olive oil is pretty much mixed in with the herbs and seasonings you've just added. Add your sausages and then we're going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, giving a shugel halfway through.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
When it's ready, garnish with some fresh basil and then all you need to do is just serve it up. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always, if you'd like the full recipe with all the macros, you can get it in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!